Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I know it has been quite some time, and I'm really, really happy myself that I'm actually doing this video. Like, finally, I'm doing and creating a video. So, the first and the most important thing that I have to tell you guys is Adat is live. It's in Play Store. You guys can go and check out and let me know what you guys think. I know it's been quite some time, but trust me, like there has been so many things going on again in my life, and I know that's not an excuse, but I just couldn't um, get time to make videos. But I can't leave coding, so I have been continuously working on the issue that I was having while uploading to Play Store. I just couldn't upload, it was always getting rejected. So in order to solve that, it took some time for me, and there were a few other small bugs that I had to make sure they were resolved before they were pushed to the Play Store. While these things were going on, I also started working on some other app idea that I think might be useful for people. But again, I will not make the same mistake like how I did for Adit by just pushing the idea first and not having the MVP. So this time I will be creating the MVP first so that I at least have something to show you guys and I don't have to make you guys wait for so long just to get the app, right? So I'll tell you guys later about that. But the most important thing is that is live, and you can let me know if you just type Adat in Play Store and get it, because I when I searched the app, I got it in like third, fourth place, right? Um, Maybe because the keyword was unique, I'm not sure, but it came in that place. But you guys can let me know. Then I'll be actually able to understand if whatever my research that went in making the rank higher actually worked or not, right? And also I'll provide the app link below in the description box. You guys can go and check out directly from there as well. um, and also I'm also considering getting like a feedback from you guys, because obviously the app, it's just the first version. There are so many things that we can still put in, there's so many features that we can integrate, but I don't want to rush in to that first without getting any feedback from you all. And um yeah, basically I'm also thinking like how I should gather the feedback, because I don't exactly use any sort of platform. But if you guys have any recommendations which is like comparatively free and which can get the job done, then let me know. Now, the next question arises is, what is Adat app, and like why should I download it in the first place, right? So Adat app is basically a habit tracking app, and I uh, I was looking for an app that would kind of help me set my habits straight, right? Because I know many apps that are habit tracking app, and for that you need to know what habits you have to integrate first, right? But I didn't know what habits would actually help me out in order to achieve a particular goal. So for that reason, I created the Adat app, where you type in your goal and your habits will be curated for you. You can select from there, from the list, like the number of habits that you want to integrate. And yeah, you can start ahead with those set of habits, right? So it's like kind of guide that you're getting. So I just, yeah, I created that, and let's see how things goes. I really hope that it has some impact and it helps people setting their habits straight, because um, if that works out, it will actually make me feel really good. And yeah, so in order to create your goals and to add in your list of habits. You just have to click on the top right corner of the app where AI is written. Click on that, and you'll get a list of, you'll get a pop up, and from there, you have to write in your goal, and according to your goal, it will list down the habits. So, I really, really hope this app helps. Let me know in the comment section, and yeah, let's see how it goes, and I'll try to also upload videos. Also, I'm also setting a goal here, and according to that goal, if I have to, you know, continue on YouTube, at least I need to upload one video per month. And in the beginning, I was like, okay, maybe it's too less, but girl, like, you barely uploaded any video the past few months. I think one per month is very much doable. So let's see. I have set this goal, and hopefully, this habit works out for me. So, one video per month is what I'm aiming for. So, let's see how it goes. And till then, see you in my next video. Bye bye.